History tells us a simple story. Human civilization began around 6,000 years ago. Before that, we were primitive. Hunters, gatherers, survivors. But what if that story is incomplete? Because around 12,000 years ago, something strange happened. Civilizations collapsed, ice sheets melted, sea levels rose, and traces of something older disappeared beneath the oceans. Some researchers believe that whatever existed before that moment may have changed human history forever. Tonight we explore the mystery of a lost chapter in time, a chapter that history may have forgotten. Welcome to Whispers of Lost Time. Around 12,800 years ago, Earth entered a mysterious period of sudden climate disruption. Temperatures dropped. Glaciers advanced again. Ecosystems shifted. Scientists call this event the Younger Dryas. But what makes this event unusual is how quickly it happened, within decades, not centuries. Something triggered a sudden planetary shift, and at the exact same time, many large animal species vanished. Mammoths, giant sloths, saber-toothed cats. Entire ecosystems collapsed. What caused it? The answer is still debated. In recent years, archaeologists discovered something remarkable, a massive ancient structure in modern-day Turkey. It's called Göbekli Tepe, and it changed what we thought we knew about early civilization. This site dates back over 11,000 years. Thousands of years before the pyramids, before Stonehenge, before agriculture was supposed to exist. Massive carved stone pillars arranged in circles, detailed animal carvings, precise construction. But here's the strange part. The builders were supposedly hunter-gatherers. So how did they organize thousands of people to build something so complex? And why was the site deliberately buried thousands of years later? Some researchers believe it represents the first known temple complex. Others believe it may be something older, a fragment of knowledge from a forgotten world. Another clue lies beneath the ocean. During the last ice age, sea levels were over 120 meters lower than today. That means enormous coastal regions once existed where oceans now lie. If early civilizations formed near the coast, as most do, their cities would now be underwater, hidden, erased by rising seas. Some underwater ruins have already been discovered, but we have only explored a small fraction of ancient coastlines, which raises an unsettling possibility. Entire civilizations may be resting beneath the ocean floor. Ancient cultures across the world share a strange similarity. They all tell stories about a great flood. In Mesopotamia, it appears in the Epic of Gilgamesh. In Greek myth, there is the story of Deucalion. In many other traditions, similar stories appear again and again. A catastrophic flood, a collapse of the old world, a few survivors. Are these simply myths or distant cultural memories of rising seas after the Ice Age? Some historians believe myths preserve fragments of real events, distorted across thousands of years. If sea levels rose dramatically, if climates shifted suddenly, if ancient coastlines disappeared beneath the ocean, then it's possible something else disappeared too. Early cultures, knowledge, cities, not advanced like modern technology, but perhaps more organized than we imagine. History may not begin where we think it does. It may simply begin where the evidence survived. The past is not a fixed story. It evolves as we discover new evidence. Every archaeological discovery forces us to rewrite a small piece of history, and sometimes those discoveries reveal something unexpected. That human history may be far deeper than we were taught. Maybe the earliest chapters were not primitive beginnings. Maybe they were something else, something we are only beginning to rediscover, and somewhere beneath the oceans or buried beneath ancient soil. The whispers of that lost time may still remain, waiting to be found.